calculating area and perimeter of irregular shapes. I can find area and perimeter of irregular shapes.
Can we find area and perimeter of irregular shapes?
Yeah. Yes.
Thank you for Johnny. John, let's go get back to your desk. All right, so number 1 would be an example of an irregular shape. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. In order to calculate the perimeter, all we did was we added up all of the dimensions on the outside edges of the shape. Remember the mistake we made?
Yeah.
Is this part right here an outside edge?
No.
So do we count that?
No.
Okay. So all of the red circles equal that, and we got 28 units. Okay, then the second thing we did is we chunked it. Everyone say chunk it.
Chunk it.
Chunk it. What we did is we found the area of this bottom quadrilateral, which was, what's the formula for that bottom one?
48.
What?
48.
Come on, what?
48.
4 times 8. What are the dimensions? 4 times 8. Bottom box. And then we chunked the top box. So we took this box. What are the dimensions for the top box?
2 times 2.
2 times 2, right here, top box. So 2 times 2, we added it to 4 times 8, and we got a total area of 36 units squared. Are you with me here?
Yeah.
Second one. Again, we chunked it. Everyone say chunk it.
Chunk it.
Chunk it, I like that. Okay, we chunked this box right here. We chunked this box right here to get area. We added them together, and we got 40 inches squared. For perimeter, again, we just added up all of the outside dimensions. Remember the common mistake. We cannot double count this area right here, right?
Yeah.
Be careful you don't double count it, or you're going to get an area that is going to be too big when calculating area. Okay, number 3. Plotting points is not a difficult concept for you, is it?
No.
You guys are able to plot these points right here very easily, I hope.
Yeah.
Okay, so once we plotted the points then, we just found the distance around the outside of this shape. From A to B, it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From B to C, it was 1, 2, 3, and so on. Added them all up, and we got 26 units. And then what do we do? What's that word that we've said twice now? What do we do to each of the shapes here?
Chunk it.
We chunked the bottom one, which was green, and we chunked the top one, which was blue. Use your dimensions for the top one, 6 times 3. Use your dimensions for the bottom one, 5 times 2, and add them together. Good? And then the last one, this is a super irregular shape. Remember our process? Alondra, can you read step 1 for finding the area of a shape like this? What's number 1 say, Alondra? You can just read it up here. So count and cross off the whole squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on, right? Okay, we get 67, or we just guessed. But you would not guess, you would actually count them, right? Okay, and then we combine partial squares. So we said this one and this one's about 1. This one and this one's about 2. This one and this one makes 3. This one and this one make 4. This one and this one make 5, and so on. And we counted 21 of the partials when we combined them together.
Yeah.
And then you add them up, and that is your area, or your approximate area. Questions? Sophia?
About number 2 there, does it matter where you split the shape?
Nope. It's just wherever you have partial squares, those are the ones you have to add together. And again, it's just going to be a guess. Find partials that look like they make a whole. Anybody else?